Next property, sum and difference of two functions. Now if the question is written in this manner, then we can separate the integration. This is the basic thing. Okay. So let's prove it now. D by dx of integration of fx dx plus minus gx dx is equal to, now we have differentiated this one, now we can write it d by dx, then integration of fx dx plus d by dx integration of gx dx, or this is equal to what? Fx plus minus gx. Okay. Now by definition, as already we have explained it, by definition, now fx plus minus gx is equal to integration of fx dx plus minus integration of gx dx. Simple.